Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set up Fingerprint on Android. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Android phone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Security and Privacy. Now click on Lock Screen. Type in your lock screen PIN or password and click on Continue. Then scroll down, locate and click on Fingerprint. Click on Continue. Then click on Register. Place your fingerprint and make sure you do this gently to make your Samsung phone capture your fingerprint. Once you are done, you should see fingerprint added. Go ahead and click on Done or add another finger to your fingerprint. Now, when next your Samsung phone screen is locked, you will be able to unlock it with your fingerprint. And that's it. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.